Previously
on Dlala Ngamla.
Her name is Siphiwe Bebe. The younger brother is Jabu. And the parents are no more. So, go and accomplish that mission. All I want is that flash drive. And nothing else.
Who is Mr. Bello and what has this got to do with me?
It's done.
We're safe for now. But we need that flash drive.
Lezo wezenza abantwana bathande ghetto masifika sashaya lengoma abantwana sana
ngombaza phela ngidi kazami ngishabo kazami
abantwana bathande ghetto masifika sashaya lengoma abantwana sana
Dlala Ngamla jabula thina hayi fikile mfoka amasilankatha umahlaba ayithwale sobe hlala vula amehlo zawa ngipha
Mehlo madala man.
hayi bafana hayi ngikhulile bafana bami
Yuphi kusheshe man.
Remuphi manje kusheshe samari ndibona ungifamana makubo 3 manje this one is a long story mfana awona le ndaba mfana ifuna sihleli phansi mfana misiphuza ikofi or something mfana ngizolibekela yona bafana hayi bafana yazi manje bafana nani ngihlaba ngembuzo manje ngiyasifikela nokusifikela manje hayi bafana bami yina baphethu uthi nizolibona jumpers yabona esportini la yabo chabu bafana.
Hello? Yes, sir. How are you? Yeah, I sent you a video. Can you please check your email? Okay. Alright, sir. Alright, have a good day. Thank you, sir.
Yabona eJozi kasilana. Shaya number la. Eshop ekule yabona. Kanti le khula le sipanic button kasilana.
Iphathani.
Kasilami hey. Amahata ahlaba galuka. Ade babuya sebadaba yami.
Ujiboyita chimuta kamunusa. Enda.
Yabona sikhulu. Unubungekho nje.
Uze
yabona ubungekho yabona izinto zenzake bekulezo zinto eziningi lapha ezenzakalayo khada. Yazi ukuthini ipoza yakho? Thina kathesi sithengisa izulu. Yabo? Sithengisa izulu, smooth cruise, senza imali lathi siphuza utshwala sibe mnandi.
Ngapha ngeni la.
Angeni da. Mina yabona player mina. Mina guys I advise you better things. Yabona mina manje ngithi ngizosipana guys la.
Kulomani. Skipani.
Sure.
Right. Dinga uflasi kulepa uzangibona.
Sithi. Namhlanje lo sisibona. Ngokubuza amajezi nakhe.
Oh, ish, sent. Sharp, thanks, eh? Sharp. Skipani, guys. Be sharp.
Yes, you Shama. Yeah?
Skipani. Ndike ndabona uflasi.
Awasakho silele. Silele le.
Ngibona umuntu othi mbengi imdinga, thanks.
Awutshela ngathi wena thanda mina.
Hey, utoneza muzika Shamari wewe Shamari.
Fere. You think you know me. Anzange ngibone into enjena. Uthanda ukuthatha longala mehlo ngabe isipofu sempela. Anzange ngibone into enjena bo. Uthando lwangithatha lwangivala mehlo ngabe isipofu sempela. Ungikhumbuza kude ungikhumbuza kude ungikhumbuza kude ungikhumbuza kude ungikhumbuza fere ungikhumbuza fere ungikhumbuza fere ungikhumbuza hlale khaya ungikhumbuza fere muhle mhlophe okwenhlabathi zolwandle
Sekuruva kuphi manje?
Ngele town.
Uruva ku town?
Yeah.
Pardon my manners, sha into nzijabulani but unongo ndithi JB.
Oh, JB.
Yeah. Yeah. Sikuyona ngani?
Suko luhle.
Suko luhle. Banoko nango kodwa suku.
Yeah, it's fine.
Hayibo.
So JB, thanks for your kindness, but sendile ngikhaya.
Ngokala bapi kuyo?
Khona.
Iwe. Baneka ngomskana ayigala apha, kanti kena kubotsona kudala.
Selesikhathi ngaphendula.
Ndiwe.
Eh.
Kula.
Okay, so thanks.
Suku. Hayibo suku. Sukusha. Ndibuka phone number zakho ndimbokufonela up ne up. Mira. All right. 0772 7 sha yadzima phone ash alright awuna pen ile baba alright ngatithi so iwishi chindipa number izinto zibata nemso lokubasi 0772 775 476 kawaii.
Yo, I told you if you know what to start.
Okay, you can just tell me the basic points and I'll do the exam.
Well, you know, as a businessman, I always try to stick to my work ethics, to keep my relationships with my service providers and clients strictly professional. You know, Spirit, ever since I met you, I can't stop thinking about you. I think I've fallen in love with these people.
Wow, I thought I'd come here to discuss business, Mr. Tabo.
Yeah, but I could not find any other way to do this but to let you come here so that I can tell you in person exactly what you need. Say something, come
on. I've heard you, Mr. Tabo, but since you've diverted my mind and I think I should go.
Come on. Spew.
Scoop.
Marasta sisi mungu. Kombanda pa fetu. Hizo kazikhona zamarasta.
Oh yazi fana 24 hours.
Yazi usemthonjeni wazo ka unshenge 3 lapho baba. Matheke yo. Hizo marasta.
Chomi, hari lengoma bazi khona lapha Chomi.
What's paka?
Umuntu waphuyisa bafethu. Ethi mbambi nyama ephuma mama.
Boshef.
The boys.
Shap. Bathi banazo phela izolo laphana le ngoma ingoma zikhona.
Unodobu zokumfana, sakumfana.
Hayi, ngitshayanga.
Uphinda sikubone lapha mfana.
Hayi.
Sahlanganisa lensimbi, uphumphelo yeso.
Hayi, hamba shefana.
Suka la, silile, swine. Right boys, one ngabasungwa. Ashivasi kutapho. Bathayibana. Bathayi vanhu bafana chopshop pasta manile bafana Hey, yazi sempoti kasi lonke leli gents ngizobe dine liphethe staff esiblind gents alike ninzame ngiyasihalela blind gents
So wena ubhoti town yonke leyo dinga leshandisa.
uzubone bra
Manje lapho uhambe kahle. Faka imali uzobona.
sure
Alo awuyenza mnandi manje. Amshaya nge3 ba.
sure mntakama Asiche bafethu I can't live without the liquid gents ndala ngayo mvuke ngayo blind ngihalela raf
Bana pa manje univa kurongo mwamba. Inobiko pano.
Yes.
Awizia.
wasungwa iwe rasta kultivera asibani subochi wasungwa fana yema drugs ile ngoma hii alumela office man
Ngiyafaka isinqumo.
mvani ngalo mthetho ayiphula report so Saramuno iwe
Ngiyafaka isinqumo.
nonsense Satan
Si. Shandani nzara shamani. Ita fastika.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Ndisuku.
Ngiyokhuluma. Sorry ngikhuluma lobani?
Ya, ndi JB. Mpesi yambo ukutakurira ma groceries papa.
Oh, JB. Bishop.
Saka wafamba wasika bo.
Antu nchiye getting obvious ingene kuhle.
Sanduku nokupelekeza kafuthi mangwana. Nah. Futhi katikati ningela kama serious. Mina ndizwe ma serious.
Okay, Mr. Not So Serious. Katesi busy. So, can you call me tomorrow early morning, saying or 6?
6. Yeah, 6.
Okay, sharp.
Yes! Oh my God. No, come on. Don't go to toilet.
Yeah, I guess something good is happening tomorrow. Travel. Anyway, food is ready. Come and eat.
Kodwa mngayazilukela shame. Somele ukuthi uzivulele yakhe isaluni sibe le ndlela entsho yokuyenza imali sike sishiyane lezi ngule lezi. Ngisho njalo mngani wami serious uzabona ama clients enzawathola yabe ngiroka. Yabe ngiroka. More money for me.
Ethi ntshone la ithi mina mbuyela mngani wami.
Masinya kangaka ngishiya lapha.
Ayenza chisa isichebo mngani wami.
Okay, yeah, ungakhohlwa indaba lani yokutest. Kumele siyotesta loba kunjani.
Yeah, mngani wami. Yeah, uyakwazi ngizwa njani ngento le but sihamba setest I promise you.
You promise?
Yeah.
Okay, Chomi phela thina kumele sibe yileziyana. Igame yethu siyayishaya kodwa umkhuhlane dololo.
La uyakwazi.
Mina ngihambe ngerest mina.
Fanele uyiphathe kahle.
Hawu bakithi. Uyabe stroke ngomen. Bye.
Bye.
Skova. And then ikash. Umuntu waphupha emini kangaka Skova.
Uphuphi next mabeleza. Umele real makho. Straight from real Madrid. Yimlo isikhobe hlala sidambe.
Kanti uphumeni nejeli. Abantu bebeqamba amanga lahlise ngubona iqiniso ukuthi wena ubotshiwe.
This is a long story. Yazi ngizokutshela sona some other time.
Come on.
Hayi yona livara yabona. But ngizokutshela some other time. Kanti wena yini lento leyo ngizwayo ngawe wena bathi wena sewubhizi udayisa amathangami lapha yini lento le?
Mina kwami uthi ngiyenzeni. Anje wena wangishiya usuku wahamba wangaphendula. Ngabe lawe wawusezicathulweni zami ngabe wayenza the same thing. Oh yes. Hayi mabebeza no man. Ngeke ngizokuthiya 6 feet underground yecaba le. Kuba nokhulumayo. Mina lawe siyafanana indwangu uzihlekana iziphongo. Wathi lokho esikuyenzayo kuzasitshiya 6 feet underscore. Hayi mina sengayekela lento mabebeza ngithola. La usungayeka njalo uyabona. Wena mabebeza why wena ungafasi seatbelt ngithola. Mina mbamba steering. Bese siyayiqala phansi lento. Ku easy kabi lo. Ungafuna ngiyekele yabo ngipha ama $30 every day. Lapha ngiyaphuma ngimacha ngicimezile futhi. $30. Kova. Yazini baby ne? Ngisakuthanda lapha. Ngiyakutshela ngisakuthanda ngithola. Utheni? Ngisakuthanda. Usangithandani Skova? Usangithanda. Uyangithanda wena. 4 years wasuka wahamba wena. No phone call, no text, no what and after that nje uthi uyangithanda. Ubona ngathi life yami ibikuphozi. Sorry boy, eyami tshona uautoplay nqa. Hayi. Yazi le goli leso.
I'm deep in debt. I don't know what to do and where to go. Maybe I should consider joining Sandra and Susan. But no. Let me stick to my production business. You never know. It might work out.
Sekenzeni futhi.
Okay, anyway, that's not the reason why I'm here. This guy I'm going to order you $2 guy.
Things change. Uzoboleke $2. $2 kuphela. Wena phenduke egemini. Phenduke egemini akukho nzima lokhana.
Asingani ngakangawutshela ukuthi uba yi-sex worker mina that's not my thing.
Manje kule mali njengawe ngabe uyayishaya wena phela oliprovo wena. Bese uyasaba la usithathela amadoda wonke.
Sakwazi lo la guy.
Kira kathi
arese ngumami production so
akusa ngapi ama production akho. Imali, hayi imali nginayo shemu. Hayi izimota sengizigadile mina D4D, Vrupa whatever. Sengigadile.
Anyway, kanhlali guy.
Okay. Yenza ukucabanga si.
This article is pointing directly to Bello's company. Since I'm falling for Spiwe, is Spiwe the next target? Is Bello even connected to all of this?
Nilanga ndoda kuyachisa.
Ungayikhulumi nje. Mbona lina mayelo phone yazi.
Esifuna lapha stop. Ngizama ngibengizokungela icrash ngithi. Uthi awufanga crash.
Leyo yona mntwana. Leyo ungayikhulumi le. Let's a long story yazi. I was involved in a car accident. Yeah, manje sengiya pick up.
So. Yo. Ngizenzela ukuthi uthobe seje leqinisweni.
Yeah, lona livari yabona. But ayisha into ezincane nje. Angithi nawe uyasazi isipani sami mntwana nawe uyakwazi. Nawe uyazi yabona indaba.
Listen, uthi ngigijimela ubheka wami. Ngibona ubheki wami so.
Obobhe. Hayi mali. Awusekhulile mntwana, awukhulile mali. Kathi zwana SP, zwana phela. Zwana buya lapha phela sike sihlafune kancane mntwana. Kathi zwana phela mabhebezi. Uyabona ne? Yabona phela ngicela ngikhulumele noSandra yabona. Khulumela noSandra nje yazi ngizamile ukuze nginganaye manje umntwana yakhe akasabambeke manje akasabambeke. Sithi nawo umtafule kancane ngithola la uyabona mntwana.
Okay, I'm not promising anything but ngizazama.
Okay, I nami no pressure. Try mama. Shabu mama yakhe. Zinto.
Sexy mamoya, sexy mamoya, lubochego, ngiyakuthembela mfithe mina sentando moya, ayingeke, thula isuli izinyembezi.